What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a massive breakout in the altcoin market cap, as well as running over Chainlink and Tezos, and kind of why these are a couple of my top altcoins. Before I get started though, if you aren't already, make sure that you're a subscriber to my channel, as well as following me on Twitter. I'm dedicated to uploading 5 videos a week, just like this one, to keep you guys as updated and posted inside of the markets. So without further ado, let's get straight into the analysis. Talk about a completely phenomenal breakout that we've seen inside of the altcoin markets. Super awesome to see us push straight through all of these resistance levels and really establish our uptrend inside of this market. Overall, with the altcoin market cap, what I'm watching for now is for us to make our first real higher high and higher low. We're pushing through resistance, which means that we've started making our higher high. That would be this resistance level right here, pushed through. And now we're making a local higher high. Obviously, we have an all-time high right here at about 500 billion in altcoin market capitalization that we are a ways away. But as far as establishing an uptrend out of the bear market that we saw in 2018, this is definitely a really good start for us to push up through this resistance level and start establishing a higher high, higher low pattern. So what I'm watching for, you guys, is for us to really go parabolic right here. I expect tons of different altcoins to be breaking out. Really, altcoin season is just getting started with this resistance level being broken above, because we're actually making a 3 wave now. This was all a big 1 and a 2 wave. And 3 waves are generally significantly bigger than the 1 wave. And so we have a lot of upside potential here with the altcoin market as a whole. And so I expect to see a lot of different altcoins just breaking completely out right now. And what I'm watching for is for those altcoins to continue to do that. You know, you have coins like Swipe right now, which is up like 40%. You have projects that are up even hundreds of percent right now on coinmarketcap.com. And that breakout is really only going to see more of that happening. I expect more altcoins to do that. So we will push up through resistance even further. We'll push into these major resistance levels. And then at some point, we will make a higher low. So this I want you guys to be aware of this, because the market isn't going to go straight up. There's going to be projects. I mean, look at Link right now. Link is worth $18. You guys, you heard it on my channel very first. Donovan and I actually both have been talking about Link for a while now. But overall, I was calling for Link to break out of all-time highs and just shoot up into price discovery, and that's exactly what it did. This was the all-time high level that I was talking about, these all-time highs, and we pushed straight up through them, completely obliterated resistance, and went into price discovery mode. And this is a prime example of what can happen inside of altcoins as you get altcoin season really taking full effect. So Tezos and Chainlink are both some of my top favorite altcoins, biggest personal investments inside of the altcoin markets. And that's why I felt it was important to update you guys today, because we are going to break out further in a lot of different altcoins. We have Chainlink leading the path. We have Aave, Lend leading the path. Tezos breaking resistance now as well. So it can start to push up into major resistance levels and eventually, ultimately, go to a new all-time high. So that's really exciting, but just be aware that there will be a correction. You know, we will have a dip where we reaccumulate and get ready to push higher again. So that dip occurring is going to be very profitable. It's going to be a great time to buy the dip, but definitely don't be surprised when it does happen. Now, is it going to happen tomorrow, next week? No, I fully expect the market to see continuation. And the reason I expect it to continuate in this area is because, like I said, this is all a big 1 and a 2 wave structure. So we're expecting a 3 wave. And a 3 wave is going to go quite significantly above the top of this 1 wave. And then we can get that 4-wave that I'm talking about, that correction, before we push higher inside of the market. So that's what I wanted you guys to be aware of. Upside is expected. I think this is really honestly just the start as far as altcoins breaking out goes. And this is really just the start as far as parabolic movement goes in a lot of these altcoins that are breaking out. But at some point, we will reach resistance and there will be a correction, which big picture will provide a nice long-term buying opportunity, because really what we're watching for in the big picture is this rounded structure to continuate and for this previous all-time high to be completely destroyed in the same way the Link destroyed these all-time highs and shot up into price discovery mode where it's just going straight up like this. I actually expect the altcoin market cap in the big picture of what's happening in the bigger time frames to do the exact same thing, to push straight up through resistance, start going parabolic into price discovery, and make all of us richer than our wildest dreams. So yeah, I really am thankful to be invested in Chainlink and Tezos. Tezos, I expect to start to move in the same way that Chainlink already has. Chainlink is just leading the path, and a lot of these other altcoins are going to start popping off as well. You can see it already on coinmarketcap.com. There's just so many projects today, literally as I speak, that are just going crazy. And I think it's associated with the Chainlink breakout. You know, people are getting really, really excited. People are starting to realize what I was talking about forever ago, which is that alt season is here and that these markets are extremely undervalued in the big picture, and there's a ton of money to be made. So I can't really get into, I don't want to go into too deep of a video today. Gonna just kind of end it off here nicely, real short and sweet like this. Getting ready to get back to a bunch of Discord messages that I have and some emails. Some new members, new VIP members, help you guys get set up, help you guys with your questions that I'm receiving on a regular basis in the Discord. If you're not a Discord member, you guys, make sure you click. Links are in the description. As you can see, you can direct message me. Like I said, today's going to be a little shorter because I'm getting ready to reply to all of these messages that I have in here and help you guys, the new VIP members, help you guys get set up with that. But overall, join the Discord. You can get in here for free. You can start profiting. You can talk to other traders. And then you can also join in the VIP areas. Links are in the description for that. Shoot me a direct message or an email, and I can help get you set up inside of that exclusive group where you guys can actually go ahead and follow my trades. I'm not really going to go into details about all of these different setups, but I'll just kind of show you one example here of what an update looks like. This is a setup that I've actually been telling people to buy for a long time now, but this is kind of an example of what an update kind of looks like inside of the signals area, inside of the VIP. So yeah, shoot me a message. I can help you guys get set up today. Lots of new members joining in, as you can see over here on the left all the time. So huge shout out to all the new members. I look forward to making these videos for you guys. I'm excited about what's coming in the markets. Altcoins are completely insane right now. The opportunity is massive. Tezos and Link, massive opportunity inside of these two coins, and they are some of my biggest holdings. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.